Hi, my name is Andrew Fulop, and I'm an estate planning attorney in New York. I am here to warn you about 5 common estate planning myths. Myth number 1: estate planning is only for the wealthy. While complex financial estate planning may be reserved mostly for the wealthy, everyone values the assets that they do have, no matter the size. Furthermore, everyone has concerns over who will care for their children or other members of their family if they die, and who will take care of their affairs if they are incapacitated, whether their preferences regarding medical care and life support will be respected, and how a disabled child or an elderly relative will be cared for. Myth number 2: I can delay my estate planning to some time in the future. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make, is that they delay their estate planning to a future date. Often this date, unfortunately, does not come until it is too late. Many people who procrastinate their estate planning end up dying without a will or a trust. This is called intestate. In this situation, the state decides for them how their assets are to be distributed and to whom. Myth number 3: I have a living trust, so I don't need a will. This is completely wrong. A will and a trust accomplish different things. For example, only in a will can one appoint an executor for your estate and the guardian for your children. Furthermore, even if you have a living trust as part of your estate plan, you still need a will to pour over any assets that weren't transferred to the trust before you died. For example, what happens if you receive a valuable asset shortly before you died and simply forgot to transfer it to your trust? Myth number 4: I am single, so I don't need an estate plan. Unfortunately, this is far from the truth. While married people often feel an obligation to support their spouse or children that they leave behind, often the situation is less clear who a single person wants to receive their assets if they die. Therefore, it is important that single people specify as well who exactly they want to receive their assets when they die. Myth number 5: I am too young to think about estate planning. Age is far from the only consideration of whether you should partake in estate planning. Do you have any assets that you care about? Do you want to control who your beneficiaries are? Do you care how you are treated if you become very sick or die? If any of these questions matter to you, then you are not too young to have an estate plan. If you want unique legal solutions that are specifically tailored to your situation, that are both affordable and convenient, please visit the law offices of Andrew Fulop by going to FulopLegal.com.